Hi, this is Patty, and you are listening to Patty's Corner. Welcome back to my podcast, and for today, we're going to talk about the things that I recently love to do. Ang dami yung hobbies. Like, when 2026 started, kind of like picked up a few hobbies na akala ko before hindi ko siya gagawin, pero ginagawa ko siya now. So, number one on my list is pickleball. Ang daming nagyayaya sa'kin even before no 2025 pa. I have a friend who kept on asking me if I wanted to do pickleball. Sabi ko parang hindi ko siya ma-e-enjoy because I don't get it. It's kind of like a mix of it's a smaller tennis, but it's a bigger table tennis. Like a smaller lawn tennis, tapos a bigger table tennis. So parang I was like, it looks weird for me. Parang ayoko siyang i-try hanggang sa I had a friend, another friend na napilit nila ako na to go and play pickleball and I was like, hala, ang kaka-enjoy pala siya. Hindi siya, iba yung ano nung ball eh. Hindi mo siya, pwede mo siyang makontrol. Hindi katulad ng bola sa table tennis. Ang hirap niyang i-control. For me ha. Tapos pati yung lawn tennis, ang hirap i-control nung bola. Tapos yung doon sa pickleball, the ball doesn't really super bounce, but pwede mo siyang i-control pero it's just ang gaan din niya kaya medyo parang it feels like a table tennis because yung shape ng ball, I mean not the shape of ball, like yung density ba tawag na? Basta yung feel ng ball, it feels like, hindi ko siya alam i-explain hala, pero basta ang ano niya, ang saya niya, tsaka yung mga naglalaro, umaabot sila ng madaling araw. Hmm? Umabot ng madaling araw. The last time I played with my friends, umabot kami ng mga 11 PM. We started at 6 PM and then we ended at 11 PM. Pero hindi pa ako nag-open play. So, maybe kapag medyo brave na ako, pwede na akong mag-open play. Pero ang ganda nung game. Para siyang kasi naglalaro ako ng badminton, eh. So, hindi ako anong tawag dito, ang dami ko ng racket sports din na nilaro na. Naglaro akong table tennis, naglaro ako ng lawn tennis, pero iba 'tong pickleball. Hindi ko alam, basta maybe it's because it's uso, I don't know, but it's fun. I've tried it. Akala ko hindi ako mag-e-enjoy, pero nag-enjoy naman ako. And then the second thing na na-enjoy ko din is bouldering. Akyat-akyat ganyan. Pero hindi ako madalas tumatakbo because I mean hindi ako madalas umaakyat. It just because ang hirap mag-recover after. I'm kind of big, you know? So, medyo mahirap pag akyat-akyat. Pero na-enjoy ko din siya. The first time that I climbed, medyo, akala ko medyo nakakatakot, medyo mataas. Pero hindi naman siya. Like, when you're there already, hindi nakakatakot. And also, because na-enjoy ko din siya is because whenever you solve a problem, they call it a problem, I don't know, basta whenever you solve a problem with the chips, because there are like chips, the color of the chip, yung depende ang level ng color ng chip doon sa ano niya. I mean, paano ba explain yun? Yung color ng chip, meron siyang kanya-kanyang level. So, level 1, level 2, level 3, hanggang level 9, something like that. So, ang pinaka na ano ko pa lang is, I think, hanggang level 3 pa lang ako. Yun pa lang yung nakuha ko. Pero nakaka-enjoy siya as in, nakaka-enjoy umakyat. At saka ang dami kasing people. At saka at first nung una akong umakyat, medyo medyo I'm shy kasi what if they're looking at me tapos hindi ko magawa yung pagkaakyat ko. Pero wala, people are so nice. Ang nice ng mga tao sa bouldering gym kung nasaan ako umaakyat. Tapos, most of them, they stayed there the whole day. And I was like, paano nakakayanan yan? Cause me, nung first time kong umakyat, tsaka nung the later na umakyat na ako, mga ilang araw na rin, after nung first akyat ko, people be staying like the whole day or half day. I can only I could only be there like 2 to 3 hours, gano'n. At saka hindi ka naman kasi makakaakyat, like kaakyat mo, aakyat ka ulit because hindi, kasi you need to rest. Kasi ang sakit sa nakakanginig ng ano, ng arms, gano'n. Pero ang saya mag-bouldering. Nung una nga kasi, yun nga, nahihiya nga ako kasi baka tinitignan nila ako, ganyan. Pero hindi naman, people are so nice. At saka tuturuan ka pa nila kung ano yung kung saan aapak yung paa mo sa next rock, gano'n. Kung paano mo siya kukunin, gano'n. Wala, ang saya lang. It's really a community. Like, these two sports na I've been recently doing, they have like a good community. So, na enjoy ko siya. Yun lang, I think yun pa lang yung pinick up ko na recently na first ko na ano, na ito try this year. Oh, and also, first time ko din yan magfe-fencing. Oh my gosh. I don't know what. Pero meron kasi akong cousin who opened a studio. So I'm gonna put his studio on the description box. So if you wanted to go to his fencing studio, it's free hanggang December of 2026. There are free classes. So if you want to try fencing, you could try fencing. Hindi ko pa siya natatry pero excited talaga akong i-try niyan. Bali, try ko siya next week. Kasi talagang gusto ko din i-try yun. Tapos sakto nag-open siya ng studio. So, oh my gosh. Ewan ko kung mag-enroll ako pero let's see. Like, ang ganda kasi ng fencing din. Like, nakikita mo siya. Dahil, well, kaya lang naman ako magfe-fencing din kasi dahil kay Jackson Wang. And Jackson Wang! Kasi nagfe-fencing siya. So, gusto kong i-try mag-fence. Yun lang, wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share na yun nga, nag-open yung cousin ko ng fencing studio. So, if you wanna try, go to their fencing studio. That's it. And what else did I pick up? A new hobby. I didn't pick up. Oh, wait. I've been trying to do journaling and I've been kind of like having fun with it. So, nag-start ako ng January 1 up until now. So, wala pa ako na-skip na araw. So, I've been kind of like writing and writing. Like, just thinking about what happened within the day. And also that maybe kapag umabot na yung December 2026, I could kind of like read the pages. Look back what I've done and look back na, ay, nagawa ko to, ginawa ko to, something like that. And also, I picked up another hobby because sabi kong ganyan, I wanted to be closer to God and I wanted to do, first step is magsimba ako every Sunday. So, nagagawa ko na yun. Wala pa akong skip. And now, I've been praying the rosary religiously every single day. So, I'm happy with that and I'm feeling more closer to God and also closer to our Mother Mary. So, I'm kind of like, I think I'm in a good disposition at the moment. So, ayun, yung gusto ko lang i-share yung mga hobbies na yun na first, so many firsts. Yun. But, well, praying the rosary is not a first, but it's like me praying it every day is a first. So, yeah, I just wanted to share you what hobbies I've been doing that I love recently. So, yun lang yun. Wala na. Yun lang yung gusto ko i-share. Okay, bye-bye.